that toolbox over there, all the tools that were in the big tall cabinet went into this thing, and you might be a little surprised on what the outcome is. So definitely stick around. Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Bubba's Garage. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. You guys are gonna notice that things are a little bit different. Things are changing right here at Bubba's Garage, and it's been like a quick minute since we've spoken last, so I kind of want to give you an update. And if you're following us on Facebook or Instagram, then you kind of probably know some of this already. And this is a quick sneak peek of the color that we're going here. What we're actually doing is we're kind of scrapping everything out of the garage. Not really scrapping, we're kind of like refinishing and things like that. I greatly apologize, my lighting is not exactly correct on the camera. It's just, I've taken down our additional lights because we're gonna revamp those as well. But all in all, we're really just taking down, we're repainting, resurfacing all of this. I'm not a sander, I am not a painter. So if you see any imperfections in this wall, it was not my fault, it was Bobby's. Same thing with the other one. As a matter of fact, let me show you over here. We actually put in one more 220. We already had this 220. We put in another 220 outlet there, clean up this wall a little bit. The idea behind that is we have a 220 heater that we run out here in the garage during the winter. This is Texas. You know, anything above like 76 is perfect for me. Anything below that, it starts to get chilly. I mean, you see I'm wearing a sweater and a pullover, and it's currently 82 degrees in here. So call me weird, I agree, I totally agree. You can kind of see up here, I still have some sanding to do. I'm gonna be doing that later on tonight. We've already kind of painted this side, but I ran into a little problem with my light over there because, well, I was kind of hoping to have it all ready, put the lights in, and then finish the rest of the walls, but that's not gonna be the case. So I'm gonna have to take these lights down and run a couple of limo studios up in here and then sand this entire ceiling. So we got a lot of little things going on. You can probably see over here, we have an air purification system they're gonna put in here, hang it from the ceiling, mount that up. That's a Win Air 3417. So that's gonna be coming. We'll do a review on that. I got a really cool bad boy here. And I know this is Husky. We don't really have a lot of Husky equipment here. Most all the cabinets and everything are Cobalt, but I had to change some things up. So this is a new cabinet. We're taking the old cabinet out. That's the old toolbox that we've had for many years right here on Bubba's Garage. We're gonna take that out. We're gonna take it to Corey's property and set that up in his new garage as well, coming up really soon. So we got that, and all this stuff is, we just got to move all this stuff around and clean everything up. We got a couple of new outlets that we're putting in here. This garage was built only with one in the center there, and then one more in the center there. So we're putting in 2 more line drops on that side. We'll be putting another line drop on this side as well, and then we're going to be cleaning up all of our lighting for up here. So we're going to end up running 2, 4, 6 sets of lights. We're not going with if you do a check on YouTube, you're gonna find a lot of videos with this light set that you can buy on Amazon, which is great. These little 8-foot sticks and things like that. Well, I'm not doing that. I want it to be a little bit more dispersed, and I already got the things to do it. So I'm just gonna reuse what I have. And it's like these cabinets here, you know, they're kind of dingy a little bit from wear and tear over time, right? So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull them down and we're gonna resurface them. We're gonna paint them up and do that black on black. So it's gonna be gloss black and flat black kind of look. Clean them up. I mean, those cabinets, just to replace all 3 of those cabinets plus the bottom cabinets down here, you know, it's like a little over $1,000. That's not the way we roll right here on Bubba's Garage. We're gonna refinish them, reuse them. There's nothing wrong with them. They just need some touch-ups, right? Now, the toolbox, on the other hand, that is something we probably should do a video on here really soon in the very near future, because that toolbox over there, all the tools that were in the big tall cabinet went into this thing, and you might be a little surprised on what the outcome is. So definitely stick around. I'm gonna do a video on that, a review video on that. We'll do a review video on the Win Air system. Yeah, we got a couple of product reviews that we're gonna do. So just gotta give you a quick update. I'm gonna make this video short. And guys, if you haven't checked out our last video, definitely pop over there and check that out. We're getting really close to our 6K giveaway. So we're gonna be doing that really soon. So if you have not subscribed, definitely do that because that is coming. And Bobby and I are talking about some different ideas that we wanna do for the giveaways. So if you got any ideas on that, leave me some comments down below. And if you're a pro painter, tell me a little bit about what we're gonna do. Hey, Matt, what do you think about the colors? I'm having a really hard time. Check Facebook, Instagram, I posted a picture of that. I'm not sure if this is like daddy daycare or if I'm trying to create an ocean in here, or it's just the blue. It's a lot of blue. You can tell what we tried to do is we tried to take this blue to kind of match the theme of the Jeep and the B in our logo, the blue in our logo, the blue on the rig that we have out there. And we're gonna do a black stripe right across the center. But that black stripe right across the center doesn't equate when you get over here. So Bobby's got some ideas. We're gonna kind of angle that, cut it, I don't know. You wanna stick around and find out how that goes, definitely do so. It'll be really exciting, it'll be fun, and we've learned a lot of lessons along the way. Some good, some not so good, and apologize for not doing a big old huge how-to. It's just been really, really busy, and time is hard to come by lately. So this is the current status of the current project in the garage, is getting this stuff ramped up and ready for winter. And we only have a few more weeks to Thanksgiving. Veterans Day was just the other day. If you're a veteran, thank you so much for your service and your commitment to this country. It truly means a lot. Bobby is a vet as well from the United States Air Force. So we thank you all so much. Guys, if you like this video, do me a favor, give me a huge, huge thumbs up. And if you really like this video and you want to stick around and find out what happens next right here on Bubba's Garage, please subscribe. And guys, if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we're going to be installing in here, then definitely leave me a comment. I'll definitely explain some of those. Like I said, I'm going to be doing those review videos really soon about those 2 or 3 products. So if you have any questions on those, leave me some comments now because I haven't produced them. I haven't even played with all of this stuff just yet. So leave those comments now. And until next time, we'll see you on the flip side. Good night, everybody.